Hey guys, so today I'm really excited because I'm going to review I'm going to unbox my butterfly knife. It's not really a butterfly knife, it's a butterfly knife comb. Yeah. First up, I want to say that I'm really happy because I went to Singapore Zoo with my mother. And right now, we unbox. So yeah, I can't show you the back piece because that's my address and stuff. So yeah, cutting it. So yeah, this is the package. Okay. This is the box. Oh god, this is the box. It's kind of scratched up. This, I bought the black one. Yeah. I don't know how to play, but it's a comb. It's functioning. So it's like yeah. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, it's my butterfly knife comb. Yeah, it really works. Really happy. I'm gonna master tricks and stuff. So yeah, catch you next time. Thanks for watching. I'm really so happy that it just came. It came like 5 minutes ago. So yeah, thanks very much for watching and please subscribe. Thanks.